Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is T and this is T Spicer Music. Now, if this is your first time here, I do my reactions based solely on your recommendations, suggestions, or requests. And to do that, you can either post your video links in my Discord server, which is the invite link is in the description below me, or you can put it in the comment section below. Now, if you want to jump ahead and get your reaction done faster, you can do so by either sending me a one-time donation or you can get it as part of your Patreon benefits, which start at just $1. And I'm talking, it starts at $1. All right. Now, my most enjoyable part of this channel is that I live stream. I live stream 3 times a week, all starting at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays. Tuesdays is my Pop Plus, which means it's everything other than rock, because Fridays are reserved for my rock nights. And Saturdays, of course, is entirely devoted to the Warning Rock Band and its army. Yes, I know. Now, about this reaction. This is long overdue, mostly because I know it is destined to be blocked. So you would be watching it on Patreon because that's where I will put my original edit of the video, okay? But it is too good not to react to. It is Beth Hart, and I haven't done her in a long while, not because I didn't want to, but as I said before, she is heavily copywritten. So this is Beth Hart singing Caught Out in the Rain, and this is at the Royal Albert Hall in, I believe, 2018, actually. I know it's a powerhouse of performance coming from a powerhouse of a singer. So I will put the link to the original video in my description so you can go watch it on your own if you haven't seen it already. I discovered Beth Hart by request when she was singing with someone else, and ever since I have been stuck on this particular singer. I had no idea, and I mean no idea, that she was who she is, because I reacted to her when she sang with Joe Bonamassa, I believe, to Joe and Beth singing, and it was absolutely beautiful, and I fell in love with her voice. And then I reacted to another one of her solo songs, and that blew my socks off. So it is about time that I revisited this genius vocalist. And yeah, so I'm going to be cutting up and dicing up. So I apologize. It's a long video though. All right, let's go. Oh, by the way, if you know about Beth Hart, you know about her troubles with alcohol and drugs, and that it took a long time for her to climb out of that particular hole, and she did so with the help of her husband. She has said so publicly, and so kudos. I have not seen this actual video. I've kept away from it, although I wanted to, but I have looked at a documentary about her, and so that's how I know all of this information, which is something I rarely do. Oh, that's different. I've never seen her go this low before. I didn't know she had this kind of range. I mean, I usually hear her going, ah! You know, that kind of thing. A kind of cross between Janis Joplin herself and, you know, a raptor. All right. I'm going to cut it, but I'm not going to say too long in between each cut. Okay. All right. Let's go.
I'm already there, child. And it ain't nobody's business. Shame.
Okay. All right. So she has begun. Okay. What y'all could tell me, is this an original song? That's the only thing I don't know. Is this an original song? Sorry about that.
Every time he walks out the door, I wonder, is he ever coming back? I can't help but love the taste of danger, babe. And the howl and the wind and the rough of his hand. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man.
I can also try something that I don't know if y'all would like it or not, but there's a trick that TV and movie reactors do, as I was one of them, and that is actually let you listen without showing the video in certain parts, so we don't necessarily have to actually cut it in terms of having to interrupt it too much. So I'm going to try that as well, okay, in certain parts. All right, let's continue.
I got caught out in the rain. I heard him crying sleep last night. No man wants to be told that he been crying. When he wakes up, I tell him he's gonna be alright. But
Listen, all I can say is that she has such a sensuous voice. Yes, she has power. Yes, she can, she can sing a mule off of a mountain. But the thing about it is this: I don't know if anybody has actually, vocalized how sensual her songs are. How the woman herself exudes sensuality, and that's a bit different than saying that she exudes sex, because or sexiness. She has this kind of way, and her movements reflect this. The way that she moves during forget it. I'm not trying to emulate her in any way, shape, or fashion. I couldn't if I tried. But you must recognize what I'm talking about. It has nothing to do with sex. It's just this kind of sensual. The only other person I've ever heard that comes close to what she is portraying every time is almost like if is Marvin Gaye, and he did the same thing. And it's almost like if you don't want to watch that kind of thing, it's like you're intruding on a private moment. I don't know. I don't know if I'm talking bullshit or not, but yeah, that's what I'm saying.
I know that he knows that I'm just a lion. I heard he shot a man in the street, and it tore his soul apart. Last night when he was making love to me, oh, there was another woman in his heart. I got caught out in the rain. If I die, I don't care. I'm in love. I'm in love. I'm in love with this man. I got.
Hey, listen to me. This woman. Oh my god, it's like you want to let's watch her or listen to her and never stop. It physically hurts me that I have to actually stop in order to let this go through. As I said before, I'm trying something new. You all can let me know if you all hate it, if you all prefer the blur, because I can let it go and I can show you the video and let them blur it. I can stop very frequently, or I can just, let it get blocked and just put it on Patreon. So y'all decide. You who watching it, let me know whether y'all want if this way of listening to it a lot longer than I can without the actual seeing the video. Two, if you all prefer I play the entire video and periodically stopping and just blur it how YouTube wants me to blur it when it gets blocked, and it will. Or three, if you just want me to just let it go and of course it will be blocked and I just put it on Patreon. So you let me know which one you prefer, okay? All right. This is when she starts to get. She always does this. At least as far as a couple of videos that I have watched, she just. I swear to God, it's like, as I said, it's like you're intruding on her space, her personal space, and that you walked into your parents' bedroom, sort of. Yeah, totally undeniable when it comes to the way she pulls you in. I'm right now the only artist that I think does this to you in a kind of that sort of way is an artist that hasn't even brought out her first album yet. And I know y'all might say that's bullshitty, it has so many more, but for me personally, the only person that pulls you in, not in a sensual way, at least not yet, is Angelina Jordan. To me, the way she gets you to shed whatever barrier, whatever walls you may have on, having your feelings close to your skin, and bringing up that kind of whatever emotion it is, whether it's tears, sadness, mad, anger, whatever it is, she has it. But Beth Hart is the originator for sure. Let's go.
I come round by the side of his bed. I look to the ceiling. I come down by the side of his bed. I look up to the ceiling. I say, God, don't take my man. God, don't take my man. God,
She also reminds me very, very, very much of Janis Joplin. And Janis Joplin is my absolute favorite singer in terms of blues ever. Ever, ever, ever. She's also my second favorite artist of all time. Of course, I'm sorry, but nobody can take over Karen Carpenter. But JJ is, I have all of her albums. I grew up with it. Oh, wonderful artist. I know I'm whispering. That's what I'm talking about. In the beginning, how she was kind of low, but still kind of whispery. And I told you that I'm custom hearing, like, that is the tone I was talking about. That is what she is relished. And people come and pay their money to see. Oh my gosh. I can't stop praising. I can't stop praising. Hallelujah. She calls that incredible. Is she listening to her voice? Seriously, dude? Never happened. Oh my god, seriously. And I love how she has all her albums on the video. I mean, Fire on the Floor, full album playlist. War on My Mind, full album playlist. Front and Center, Live from New York, full album. And of course, the Royal Albert Hall 2018. I haven't seen it because I want to react to some of them according to how this video goes. As I said before, this is my first time doing a video in this method. I thought it might help because it helps with the when I used to do reactions to television shows and movies, playing the audio and taking away the actual video. So I'm hoping that passes. I do sincerely apologize if it is that you hated it. I'm just trying out a new method because I don't want to interrupt every 20 seconds, which is what I need to do in order to get this up. And sometimes it even goes as low as every 10 seconds, 15 seconds. So I'm trying to find a method in which you can enjoy and at least hear or participate in these great reactions, because so many reactions that I do don't pass the test and I have to put it on Patreon. So let me know if you hate it, you love it, it's okay, or if you prefer me to stop every moment and you see the video, or that you want me to stop infrequently and get it blurred throughout. So tell me all you have to tell me. Just be kind, because as I said before, I'm trying. I'm sorry about that. If you hated it so much, I will do it over, but it would not be my first time reaction. So let me know, let me have it respectfully in the comment section. All right, guys. If you actually enjoyed though my reaction, my thoughts, and what I shared with you in this reaction, be sure to give the video a thumbs up because it helps a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and of course click the notification bell so that you will be notified when my next video drops. All right, guys. And of course, don't forget that if you want to see more of me, my live streams begin on Tuesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And beyond that, if you would like to support the channel in any shape or form, you can go ahead and check out my links below. There are a plethora of ways in which you can do that. Of course, there is no obligation on your part, but I would seriously appreciate any and all helpful contributions or support to me personally or towards the advancement of the channel. Alright, guys, gals, and everybody in between, that's it. I will see you soon. Have a great day, and bye-bye, everybody.